Hello and assalamu alaikum. This is Dishan Farooq and you are watching Tech Stack. So guys, today we are going to learn about how to solve the issue of unlimited internet or unidentified network, no internet access. So for example, I have my internet connection here, Wi-Fi connection. I am going to connect it and let's see if we get the issue of limited internet or unidentified internet. So we will wait. As you can see, it's saying connecting to the network is taking longer than usual, so there are chances that there will be an issue of limited internet. So let's see. So you can see the connection is limited. uh, Here you can see unidentified network, no internet access. So we will solve this issue. Just search cmd, that is command line, open it and write ipconfig slash all, enter. Again write ipconfig slash release, hit enter. Again write ipconfig slash renew. Before doing this, I'm going to show you that my internet is not working. Let's see. Here you can see our internet is not working, and when I will hit enter, now I will wait for it. uh, yes, now you can see here PTCLBB internet access, and now I am going to refresh this. Let's see it works or not. So here you can see our internet is working perfectly. That's it. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe my channel, and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much. Goodbye.